Assembly and operation guidance of Hemway Energy Saving Boiler V20. Assembly steps. Step 1. Connect one side of steam pipe to that of the machine. Connect one side of vapor collecting pipe to that of the machine. Make sure the firm connection of the pipe. Step 2. Connect the another side of vapor collecting pipe to that of the iron. Connect the another side of steam pipe to that of the iron. Step 3. Connect the water inlet pipe to the main water tube or put it in the bucket. Connect the drainage pipe to main drainage tube or put it in the bucket. When starting work, turn the rotary knob to on work. Open the steam valve of the machine. Press the increase or decrease button to adjust the steam pressure. When the pressure increases to a set number, start to iron. After ironing, close the steam valve immediately. While taking a short break, turn the knob to the rest position. The device will enter the standby state. When finishing work, turn the knob to the off position. The equipment enters the state of blowdown. After 2 minutes, the equipment completes blowdown, automatically shuts down. Hemway Energy Saving Ironing Overall Solution Provider.